it's not easy and it's not hard. Like, it's just, you'll get it eventually.
Whatever you wanna do, I'm over 42 and I do not want no chaser. And you need a nigga to handle your attitude, but I'm a nigga with paper.
What is up, you guys? My name is Lauren Nicole and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're about to do feed and braids and y'all just about to see how I do them. My hair is stretched. It was stretched twice. So yeah, this is my hair fully stretched style. We're doing it on stretched hair. We're doing the natural one so I won't have to add as much hair. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Lauren Nicole, and if you are not new to my channel, thank you so much for coming back and staying consistent. If you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Without further ado, let's get right on into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. The hair that we're going to be using is Expressions hair. You can get it at the beauty supply. This is 52 inches. This is what it looks like. This hair goes down past your booty. This is also pre-stretched, so just use this one. Yeah, I'm going to just use this one. The products that I'm going to be using is the Care Edge Tamer. I use any edge control. It don't really matter to me. And then I like to use hairspray in between just because I feel like it seals in better. And then just to like add something on my hair to keep it moisturized, I use the Live. You got your rat tail comb, steel rat tail comb, and a regular rat tail comb. You want something that's super long. Split this in half. As you can see, I can see everything going on in the back. I'm just gonna straighten it up just a little bit. Get some of your edge control. You're just gonna put that on the part. Okay. So this might be the straightest that we can get. Edge control and go ham on the edges because your lines gotta be right. Now it's time to braid. Do this one first. I haven't done my braids since the summertime, so I want to make sure I got my technique down. So this is the first braid. This is the first braid. This long. Yeah, this long. I just wanted to make sure that I still had it down packed. The next one, I like to do these small because they're natural, so.
1, 2, 3, funk it. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Take off a little bit more because that's too thick in the back for me. And as you guys can see, I got baby hairs in the back, but I'm not about to. No, I can't help that I got baby hairs in the back. My baby hairs in the back are like ridiculous. Okay, let's see, we're gonna get a couple of small ones. So this one micro one, get another micro one, and 2 more medium ones. And here's another medium one. I like to put edge control on my part. I don't put too much. These are the first two. First two. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to teach y'all how to do them, that's gonna be really hard because I do not know how to teach somebody how to braid. It's not easy and it's not hard. Like, it's just, you'll get it eventually. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want me to do any more other videos, let me know. And I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.